Yep, hello everybody. This is going to be my review of the Motorcraft FL 500S oil filter. It's been on my 2014 Ford Explorer 3.5 liter V6 for 1 year, 10,000 miles. So I thought we'd take a little look at it. First off, got a sample of the oil. Let's see if we take a little bit of it here. It's Castrol 5W20 full synthetic. Still looks pretty good. Alright. Well, first I'll look at the can. Cans are a little thin on this model. Not much gunk on the inside. A little bit of glue. But, yeah. That's it for sludge and debris in there. We have the anti-tilt flats spring. I know people think those are inferior, but those are actually stop the filter element on the inside from tilting. So they're actually recommended by most car manufacturers. Here we have the base plate, 7 inlet holes, silicone, anti-drain back valve, still nice and pliable. Fits on there real nice. Alright, now for the filter element. Here we go. 58 pleats on this model. A little excess glue. They're famous for excess glue on the bottom, and there isn't much on this one. Glued seam. Lots of pleats. Love to see that. 58. And a bypass valve on top. Nice little filter. So how about I open this up and show you what it looks like, the filter paper. Alright, here's the filter paper all stretched out. Not a lot of carbon in there. And haven't seen any sparklies. But to tell you the truth, I haven't seen any sparklies on pretty much any of my cars. But I'll go over with a fine-tooth comb and see if there's anything other than a little glue and some carbon buildup. Let's see. Good look at the carbon cut. But it's 10,000 miles, boys. Not much to speak of. Motorcraft filter, Castrol oil. And as always, thanks for watching.